Are you residing out of India but want to elect your government in the upcoming 2024 Lok Sabha polls? Is that even possible? It was not before 2010, but now it is. But there's a process to it. Worry not, we'll take you through the steps of how NRIs or overseas Indians can enroll as voters in India. NRIs first of all have to register themselves with the Election Commission of India. An individual must be at least 18 years of age, but they cannot hold a foreign citizenship. An individual has to register via the official website of ECI and physically fill out Form 6A, which can easily be downloaded from the website of the Election Commission of India. Or you can also head to the website of Chief Electoral Officer of the concerned state. Form 6A is also available free of cost in Indian missions in foreign countries. Form 6A has to be filled before the Electoral Registration Officer or Assistant Electoral Registration Officer of the constituency within which the place of ordinary residence of the applicant in India as given in his or her passport falls. The application should be accompanied by duly self-attested copy of the relevant documents filed in person or sent by post. Also note, while filling Form 6A online, the copy of the passport and copies of other necessary documents like the visa should also be uploaded. Now, what documents are required along with Form 6A? Make sure you have a recent passport size colored photograph duly affixed in Form 6A, photocopies of the relevant pages of the passport containing photograph, the individual's address in India, and all other particulars of the applicant along with the page of passport containing the valid visa endorsement. But the main question is, how can NRIs vote in the 2024 Lok Sabha polls? An individual has to be physically present in India on the date of voting. Please carry your voter ID cards as well as your passport. Earlier, there were reports of proxy voting coming into place, but this proposition still has to see the light of the day. This would have allowed an NRI individual to nominate a relative in India to cast their vote in the country. A secure online option of e-ballot was also considered by the government, but the project still has not got the green light. Hope we have answered all your queries. For any doubts, feel free to comment, and for more such videos, keep watching NewsX.